So let's look now at inserting a parts list using the structure option, the structure workspace in AutoCAD Mechanical. Now I've stayed in the mechanical workspace, you'll notice, but I'm using the mechanical browser to build a structure in my drawing. So I've set bracket 1 and I've got a top view there. So let's add some new views. So I'll go to bracket, right click. I want a new component view. So I'm going to go for the side view. So I'll type in side there. Select objects. Well, it's those objects just there. So I want to get that polyline there. Right click to confirm, and the base point will be that end point there. So there's my side view. So the front view is going to be here. So again, bracket like so, right click, new component view, and this will be the front view. So just press enter. There's the component there, the polyline. Right click to confirm, and that midpoint snap, so shift and right click and midpoint, is going to be the base point. I now have a new component, my column. So I go to here, right click, new component, and the new component name this time will be column. Like so, enter. And the new view name will be top, enter. So there's the components there, like that, right click to confirm, and it's a shift and a right click and a midpoint snap again. I'll zoom in just to get the correct midpoint right there. So there's the top view of my column. So what I need to do now, column there, right click, new component view, and I need the side view this time, like so, and the component is that polyline there, so I'll right click to confirm that, base point is that end point there. Last but not least, column 1 again, right click, new component view, and it is the front view, so I just press enter, it's that polyline there, right click to confirm, and the base point again, shift and right click, midpoint snap, just there. So I now have a bracket and a column with top, side and front views. So everything is in place. Now, if I just right click here over the drawing name, I can create a bill of materials from that straight away. So there's my conveyor bracket and there's my column right there. So it's created those straight away. So I've now got a bill of materials, so I can give that some properties here. So it's the conveyor bracket assembly, it's ISO and it's steel. Now it's remembered that from the last drawing that I used where I did a save as. That's good, I need that anyway, so I'll OK that. I can actually rename this here, so that will also become conveyor bracket assembly there, just so it's consistent more than anything else. Make sure your naming's consistent. So we've got column there. I'm going to rename this one though. I'm actually just going to edit it slightly. So I'll just double click in there. I don't want conveyor bracket like that. I just want bracket like so and enter. Now you've got a description there. I'll put a description in here as well. Just column like that and enter. Standard there. We want ISO. So let's put all this in, and also material there. It's going to be steel. So that's all in there. So I'll apply all of that and OK that. So I've now got a bill of materials created from my mechanical browser instead. So if I now go to the A3 landscape tab like so, I need to insert my parts list. So my bill of materials is already done, so I go to table, parts list, I just press enter to accept conveyor bracket assembly there on the command line, and you'll see there's only one column there. So why is that? That's probably taken that from the previous drawing. Not to worry, we can easily update that at any time. So what I can do here, you'll notice I can insert columns. I can update all of this, so we're going to give it a parts list name. So we go conveyor, and it will be bracket assembly. I'll insert the title like that as well. It doesn't matter that there's only one object there right now. That's not a major problem. I'll apply that and I'll OK that. There's my parts list. I'll just click there like so. I'll bring that into the middle, and there's my parts list there. There's my column. As you can see, I've got one column and it's ISO and it's steel, and it works in exactly the same way as if I was doing it the other way and inserting a parts list from a bill of materials. So you can see there that it all works in exactly the same way. The only difference is that I'm working here from the model and using my structure in my mechanical browser.